If your snaps look like they were taken with a potato, you're missing out. Let's fix that. Snapchat is an amazing app with so many features, but sometimes it can be tricky to get the most out of it. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned snapper, these tips and tricks will help you take your Snapchat game to the next level. So, let's dive in and explore some of the coolest features and hacks that you might not know about. Get ready to transform your snaps from drab to fab. First up, create your own custom stickers from any snap. This is a fun and creative way to personalize your snaps and make them stand out. You can turn any part of your snap into a sticker and use it in your future snaps. It's super easy and adds a unique touch to your stories. To do this, simply take a snap, tap the scissors icon, and outline the part of the snap you want to turn into a sticker. Once you've created your sticker, you can resize, rotate, and place it anywhere on your snap. The possibilities are endless. Just cut, save, and boom. You've got a custom sticker ready to use. You can create as many stickers as you want, and even save them to your sticker library for future use. This feature is perfect for adding a personal touch to your snaps and making them more fun and engaging. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your creativity and make your snaps truly one of a kind. Next, use Bitmoji to make your chats pop with personality. Bitmoji is a fun and expressive way to communicate with your friends on Snapchat. You can create your own Bitmoji avatar that looks just like you and use it in your snaps and chats. There are tons of different Bitmoji stickers to choose from, and you can even customize your Bitmoji's outfit and accessories. To get started, simply link your Bitmoji account to Snapchat and start exploring all the fun stickers and animations you can use. Your friends will love seeing your Bitmoji in your snaps and chats. Did you know you can change the color of individual words in your text? This is a great way to add some flair to your snaps and make your messages stand out. You can highlight specific words or phrases and change their color to match the theme of your snap. To do this, simply type your text, tap on the word you want to change, and use the color slider to select your desired color. You can mix and match different colors to create a vibrant and eye-catching message. This feature is perfect for adding emphasis to your text and making your snaps more visually appealing. Just highlight and paint away. This feature is not only fun, but also incredibly useful for making your snaps more engaging. Whether you're highlighting important information or just adding a pop of color, changing the text color is a simple yet effective way to enhance your snaps. So go ahead and get creative with your text. Your friends will definitely notice the difference. Make your own geofilters and impress your friends. Geofilters are a great way to add a unique touch to your snaps and show off your location. You can create custom geofilters for special events, parties, or just for fun. To create a geofilter, go to the Snapchat website and use the design tools to create your filter. You can add text, images, and other elements to make your geofilter truly unique. Once your geofilter is ready, you can submit it to Snapchat for approval. Once approved, your geofilter will be available for you and your friends to use in the designated area. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your snaps and make your stories more memorable. Use night mode for those late-night snap sessions. Night mode is a handy feature that allows you to take better snaps in low-light conditions. Whether you're at a party, concert, or just hanging out with friends, night mode will help you capture clear and vibrant snaps even in the dark. To activate night mode, simply tap the moon icon on the camera screen. This will adjust the camera settings to optimize for low light, resulting in brighter and clearer snaps. So next time you're out and about at night, don't forget to use night mode to capture all the fun moments. Save your favorite lenses by tapping the star icon. Snapchat offers a wide variety of lenses that you can use to add fun and creative effects to your snaps. From face filters to augmented reality effects, there's a lens for every occasion. To make it easier to find your favorite lenses, you can save them by tapping the star icon. This will add the lens to your favorites, so you can quickly access it whenever you want. You can save as many lenses as you like, and even organize them in your favorites list. This feature is perfect for keeping your favorite lenses handy and making your snaps more fun and creative. Turn on Ghost Mode to stay incognito. Ghost Mode is a privacy feature that allows you to hide your location on the Snap Map. This is useful if you want to keep your location private, or if you just want to take a break from sharing your whereabouts. To activate Ghost Mode, go to the Snap Map and tap the ghost icon. You can choose to stay in ghost mode for a specific amount of time or until you turn it off manually. This feature gives you more control over your privacy and allows you to use Snapchat without sharing your location. So if you ever need some privacy, just turn on ghost mode and stay incognito. Discover hidden filters by swiping left and right. Snapchat has a variety of filters that you can use to enhance your snaps. But did you know there are hidden filters that you can unlock by swiping? To find these hidden filters, simply swipe left or right on the camera screen. You'll discover a range of filters that you can use to add fun effects to your snaps. From color filters to special effects, there's always something new to discover. So next time you're snapping, take a moment to swipe through the filters and see what hidden gems you can find. You might just discover your new favorite filter. And finally, use Snap Map to keep up with your buddies' adventures. Snap Map is a fun and interactive feature that allows you to see where your friends are and what they're up to. You can view their location on the map and see their snaps from different places around the world. To access Snap Map, pinch the camera screen to zoom out and view the map. You can see your friends' Bitmoji avatars on the map and tap on them to view their snaps. This is a great way to stay connected with your friends and see what they're doing in real time. So next time you're curious about what your friends are up to, just check the Snap Map and join in on the fun. There you have it, 10 tricks to level up your Snapchat game. Happy snapping! With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to make the most out of Snapchat and create amazing snaps that your friends will love. Whether you're creating custom stickers, using Bitmoji, changing text colors, designing geo-filters, or exploring hidden filters, there's always something new to discover on Snapchat. So go ahead and try out these tips, and watch your Snapchat game reach new heights. Happy snapping, and have fun exploring all the cool features Snapchat has to offer.